How to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. So first thing guys is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to the apps here. Now it will start loading. After it get loaded, it will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the search bar, search for Instagram. Click here on force stop and then go down to this option. It will start computing. Click on the storage. After it finished computing, all what you have to do is click on this option of clear data to clear all the data that you have on your Instagram app. After that, click on clear cache. Now go back. Click on the data usage and then disable the roaming data and the background data. Go back and this time click on the Play Store and search for Instagram and click on update if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.